February. So today we are going to Junaid Bhai's, as you know, Art of Motorcycle. He owns Art of Motorcycle. So today we are going to install Art of Motorcycle handlebar on our roofs. So it would be a bit higher and a bit wider also. So it will be easy for us to tour on our roofs. And we are also gonna install the Barkbusters knockoffs on the knuckle guards, and what else we have to do? Yeah, the PFF one also we have to do, but we will not do it today. We will figure out like which shop we should go. We'll ask Junaid Bhai only. Let's see. And we wanted to extend the gear lever also. The gear lever, we wanted to extend it. So in our riding boots it was difficult to shift the gear up. So we will extend it. Let's see. I asked Junaid Bhai to do it. He told that it is the fabrication part. It will take some time. You might have to leave the bike also today. Let's see. We will go there and check it out over there only by talking with Junaid Bhai. Okay guys, so we will directly meet. I don't want to show you the Bangalore's traffic, so directly we will meet on like to the Art of Motorcycle shop only. Okay. So guys, I think we have reached the Art of Motorcycle. Let's see that. I think this is the right lane. I think it's the handle. Let's see. Yeah, this is the Art of Motorcycle. So guys, we have reached the Art of Motorcycle, and I've just taken my bike inside. They are installing the handlebar. I'll show you 1 second. I will remove the anti-filter. Yeah. Now you can see all these bricks. Crazy. Yeah, here are roofs. Handlebar is getting installed. भाई क्या नाम आपका? छोटू. Okay. So Chotu is installing our handlebar. Let's see how it is goes. So we also brought this BBG riding boots to see if we can extend this gear. Now I am not able to shift it up while I like wear the boots. Now I cannot shift it up. So let us see. We'll talk with Zoeb bhai and we'll see. Okay guys, I will see you afterwards. Okay, bye. Yeah. So guys, we have installed the Art of Motorcycle handlebar over here with our Zoeb bhai. Hi Zoeb sir.
Hi everyone. Yeah. It was pleasure meeting you. He told me his inspiring story that bike kharide, फिर Mumbai से निकले, and he did a ride on the go in Kolhapur. He has serviced his motorcycle. Very happy to have you in Bangalore at Art of Motorcycles. I hope you enjoy this handlebar stance and the riding position. Wishing you good luck and ride safe, enjoy and explore more. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And we also extended the gear lever, as you can see over here. Sir has made it adjusted for us.
Rally setup.
Yeah, the rally setup, sort of jugaad one. Yeah, so yeah. Thank you so much, Joel sir.
Thanks,
yeah.
Ride safe.
Yeah, thank you so much. We will meet again.
Sure.
Yeah.
Any day.
Yeah. Chalo, bye. Thank you. So guys, we are now leaving Art of Motorcycle. As you can see there, Zoeb bhai. He is very busy, very busy guy. He was when I came here, he was continuously solving people's problem, riders community problem. Still he is on, literally is on Red Bull. Yeah. Okay, let's leave the Art of Motorcycle. We also want to install the Barkbusters. So yeah, let's leave. This handlebar feels great, handlebar feels great. I hope. Yo. Now wide also, a little bit big also. As you can see guys, there is Zoeb bhai. He is going Bye dosta. Bye. Bye. As you guys can see, we have reached HTR MODZ. So this is the shop where I am going to install my park busters knuckle guards. So let's enter. I'll show you the shop. One second. So this is the shop. Let's see, there are all the top racks and the saddle stays. So these are all the top racks. All the backrest. So all the guards. All the guards. So all the guards. They have a lot of variety of guards here. Oh my god, what is this? Good quality. This is the, I think, the auto engine one. This is the AS one. As you can see over here, the auto engine one. So yeah, so all the top racks. These are all the top boxes. This is the plastic one. You can see our Himalayan, a little bit modified. These are all the saddle stays. This is the saddle stays. This is the top box. These are the gasoline cans. Same top box. Seats. So I think this is like for modification. I don't know what is this. This is flash modification. This are all the handguards. We are installing this one, Park Busters replica. These are all the windshields. So all the seats and this. These are the bobbers, I think. Bobbers. Yeah, we got twin. Okay, I'll now show you the bike. Let's go there. One second. If you want to install anything, we'll go here. It is the shop is over there, and if you want to install, we'll go there. So our bike is getting installed. The bike is here. Now they will install the knuckle guards. I'll show you once they install it. Okay. So guys, the knuckle guards are getting installed, as you can see over here. So these are the knuckle guards. Wait, I'll show you. So these are the knuckle guards, the carbon fiber finish ones. So yeah, my brother is installing it. As you can see, it will look crazy after it is installed. Fully black look. Bro, say hi once. Yeah. Thank you so much. You guys install it. Okay guys, I'll show you once it gets installed. Bye. So guys, we are continuing the yesterday's vlog. I couldn't record yesterday because it was too late. I went somewhere else, so it was dark, so I couldn't record what I installed on our roofs. So I wanted to show you this Park Busters replica. This is the replica one, so I installed it from HTR MODZ, and these blind spot mirrors are recorded. And from Art of Motorcycle, we installed this handlebar, and we extended the side stand. So Zoeb bhai has made it adjusted according to my shoe size. So I am able to shift the gears up now, and nothing else to be frank. So yeah, that's it. There is nothing else I installed. So I wanted to meet you guys to someone. So this is my friend Mr. Ayush Sariwala from Dehradun के boys ना मेरी कॉमो. So yeah, Ayush भाई बोल लो कुछ यार vlog के लिए मेरे.
Hi everyone, and do follow his channel. गरीब मानुस ना?
गरीब मानुस.
हाँ.
Or what is your message to all my female viewers? Please give them some message ना.
क्या सीन है?
थोड़ा वो वाले टोन से, थोड़ा वाले टोन.
क्या सीन है?
Okay guys, so yeah, so I will just take leave from you guys, and we will meet in another video. Thank you so much. Bye guys.